Welcome back to another video. My name is Angela and I will be your host. I hope that you enjoy. While searching for some more ideas to make art out of peacock feathers, I ran across these fantastic designs from the creative folks at Pinterest. These are some really neat ideas, and I'd love to recreate one myself. Please vote for your favorite in the comments below and give a like indicating that you voted. Once I get 100 votes or 100 likes, I will recreate the winning idea. How beautiful! Use a small wreath form and then glue the peacock feathers, both short and long, to the form. To make this ball, use a round foam ball as your base. Glue just the tops of peacock feathers around the form. Add a hanger at the top and you are all set. To make this fan-like creation, you'll need something to attach the feathers to. Glue the feathers on, placing longer feathers in the back and working your way up to the shorter feathers in the front. Aren't these shoes fancy? Find some shoes you want to use and then add shorter peacock feathers to the shoe as shown in the picture. Make a coaster out of peacock feathers. Use a round base to glue them to. This hair clip uses just the top of the peacock feathers, adorned with a jewel in the middle. This wreath is very much like the one we talked about earlier, starting with a thin wreath base. Pick a letter and adorn it with paint, peacock feathers, and a round decoration. To put this wreath together, be sure you're looking at the way the feathers are placed on the image. The end of the peacock feathers look like eyes, making me think of an owl. This is a very unique and beautiful collar. It amazes me what people come up with. Using peacock feathers for earrings is so pretty. First, find a wreath made of natural materials. Glue just the tops of peacock feathers and strings of beads that match. Then cut long strips of blue and green felt to make the round embellishments. What a great idea to make a bouquet out of peacock feathers. I continue to be impressed by these creative ideas, and we're not done yet, but I did want to thank you for watching the video. If you're getting value, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another creative post. And a thumbs up would really help the channel so I can continue making videos. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you got value out of this video, which you know you did. And then go ahead and hit that thumbs up button to help push it out to other people that can get value out of this video. Have a fantastic day and thanks for watching. Peace out.